Do you see that the AI trading aspects that everyone's talking about, giving an AI agent a wallet and give a stable coin and then give it permissions and they'll just monitor and trade on your behalf. Do you actually see that as more of a phase right now that we're like, oh, there's so much possibility, but in reality, we're still a bit far off from it? What is your personal view?
Yeah, I mean, you and I, we can both take a position in any asset right now, and we probably
Yes.
have a different outcome because you are maybe differently wired to me. You may be more greedy than me, or may be more fearful than you, or I react to a news announcement in a different way than you react to
Mhm.
that news announcement. We could have a million different possibilities, right? And that's how the market is made. Even at an institutional level, there are still people that are trading the money. So this notion of everything is just going to go to robot advisors, AI, or whatever the next thing is very far-fetched from where the reality is. I think we see augmented traders that use these tools to make better kind of decisions, which is great. But I doubt that people will just give all their money into an AI and hope for the best. Because if that was the case, the other people would also be using AI and it would just be fighting AIs against each other,
Right.
which would mean that there's again arbitrage opportunities. And I don't think that we're going there. I think any news piece that comes out, whether Trump is tweeting or, whatever happens in the market, so many different people take this in a completely different way. And I see this every day. So I don't think that will happen. I do think that there is a slice of the market that it will own, the same as robo advisors, and maybe a bigger slice than robo advisors. But I really think that people will just use these tools to prepare themselves better to make better decisions in the market.
So you think it's not just human in the loop, but it's actually humans still making the decisions and perhaps instructing the AI agents to do things on their behalf, whether it's research or potentially even executing on a particular trade, but not completely autonomous, just trading left, right, center, right? You're not seeing that, at least not right now.
Yeah, I mean, I'll give you another example. Remember the time when oil went to minus, right?
Yes.
It was a complete overreaction. How would an
Mm.
AI deal with that? Because it was unprecedented. And someone that has been in the market would see, oh, this is an overreaction and this is now a perfect buying opportunity. So there's so many of these events that happen on a daily basis where with a lot of them, the AI would probably do just fine. But then there's some that are very difficult to be explained, or you need a lot of context to get there. And I think there is now this fascination with retail traders to trade their own money. And then there's institutional part. There's different parties in the market. So maybe some parts, some segments of the market will be more open to it and will adopt it quicker versus other parts. But I don't think that it will be a complete takeover by AI and we won't see any humans interacting with the markets anymore.